Alright, so in this particular video we'll be looking into what are daemon sets. Okay, yeah. See, basically we have something called as replica sets. It was already discussed in one of the video on our channel. It is available, you can go through if not. But for now, to highlight, so replica set is something on Kubernetes where it helps us to always ensure available number of replicas, or always replicas of pods are always available across the cluster. It might be on any worker node, right? So for example here, so the replica set count I have given is 4, and in case we have 4 worker nodes, right? So replica set can deploy 2 pods here and 2 pods here. So it does not care about the worker nodes preference. It cares about only ensuring number of replicas always available. Okay, so the number of replicas are 4 here. That's fine for replica set. It will not consider that okay, I should run replicas on every worker node. It's not like that. The case is not like that. So yeah, it only ensures if I give 5 replicas, so maybe 1 pod here, 1 pod in this worker node, 1 here, and maybe 2 on 3. So it ensures okay, we have 5 available replicas of pods. Now I'm cool here. That's fine. But the thing is, when we talk about daemon set, right? Daemon set is something like pod. Let me explain this very simple formula: pod per node. See, if you need to run some applications like maybe monitoring application, so you need to monitor every worker node, right? Yeah, and collect metrics from every worker node, or any other data from every worker node. So in that context, so we need to ensure that every worker node is deployed with a pod with that application. So daemon set is something like it fulfills this criteria, where it fulfills pod per node. If you deploy, if you kind this daemon set, it will deploy number of pods, okay, on all available worker nodes in the strategy of pod per node. So I have 4 worker nodes here, so it always ensures so 1 pod per 1 worker node. If this happens, if this is damaged, in that case it will auto create again. It will only ensure 1 pod per node, so that this is for a purpose in that particular worker node. For example, let's see this via the transitions. Now you'll get the clear picture. So replica set is this now. So as per the count given 4 replicas here, so we have 4 worker nodes wherein it have deployed 4 different replicas in each worker node. What about daemon set? Daemon set always ensures pod per worker node, right? For example, now the replicas are 4. This is satisfied, but in case in future if we add a new worker node, daemon set will drop a pod in that particular worker node, right? So in simple, replica sets will ensure number of replicas at any given point of time. It does not care about on which worker node replicas are running. Daemon set ensures every worker node is deployed with the given application pod, right? So pod per node is the formula of daemon set. All right, so this is a manifest. It's simple. The kind is daemon set, and it's not required for you to actually define the number of replicas. So if your worker nodes are 10, automatically see it includes control plane node also, like master node also. But as I'm deploying, basically AKS, so I mean daemon-set on AKS. So Azure Kubernetes service will not allow us to deal with the control plane directly, right? So we do not have control on the master node here. So that is where. So I have a cluster here where I have two worker nodes in my case cluster, where I'm deploying these daemon-set, where as it is two worker nodes, automatically one pod per node will be deployed and my daemon-set count will be 2 by default. So if you see kind of daemon-set, name of the daemon-set, labels to be matched, and these are the labels of the pod, right? And this is the application running inside the pod. Let's do this. All right, so I'm copying, I'm going to my cluster. So here give kubectl get ds you can use for daemon-set. There is nothing available, so ds.yml, just paste it. I'm just pasting to save the time. It's better if you are beginners, please try to type in so that you can get the a comfortability in developing the manifest, right? All right, perfect. So let's deploy this. So kubectl, so before that, so the number of worker nodes I have is 2. Via kubectl get nodes, you will get the number of worker nodes, right? So now when I deploy this daemon-set manifest, there should be two pods, one pod on this 06 and one pod on 07 to be deployed. Yeah, so just get pods. Here we go, right? Cool. All right, so yep, thank you guys. So for trainings, you can contact the number displays in our intro section, right? And the number is also updated in the description. Yeah, we provide both online, offline trainings. Our offline platform is available at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.